Yes, dear children, today we will discuss about the general forms of linear equations in two variables. The general forms are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, call it as equation number 1, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, call it as equation number 2. Okay, here x coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1, and this one it is the constant term c1, it is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. In the equation number 2, x coefficient is a2, y coefficient is b2, and constant term is c2. Yes, in the earlier class you have studied about linear equations in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Yes, in that case a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and c it is the constant term. Yes, this year we are going to study about two linear equations in two variables at a time. It means pair of linear equations in two variables. That two variables are x and y. Okay, yes, here a1, a2, b1, b2, and c1, c2 are the real numbers, and condition is a1 square plus b1 square is not equals to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is also not equals to 0. Okay, yes, and then some examples for linear equations in two variables. Okay, in your book it is given, in your book, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, and second one is 9x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. Yes, this is a one form of linear equations in two variables. And second one is, this is first type example. Second type, 5x is equals to y. 5x is equals to y. See here, you take this y into this side, it becomes 5x minus y plus, in the place of 0 you take 0. In the place of constant term you take 0, it is equals to 0 here. 5x minus y plus 0, it means this is 5x is equals to what? Y. Here constant term is 0, therefore I have taken here 0. 5x minus y plus 0 is equals to 0. It is same as 5x is equals to y. Okay, and one more equation it is given here, minus 7x plus 2y minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, yes, here x coefficient is negative, y coefficient is positive, and constant term is positive. There is no any problem at all. It may be positive or negative. If you make to positive, you have to multiply with positive symbol to this. Okay, yes, and then third type of examples. Third type, x plus y is equals to 7. Already you have seen this type of example in the earlier class. X plus y is equals to 7, and 17 is equals to y. 17 is equals to y. It is same as here. Okay, here x coefficient is 0. It means x value it is a 0. X variable it is a 0 here. Therefore it becomes yes, you take this plus y into this side, it becomes 17 minus of y plus x is equals to what? 0, or x minus y plus 17 is equals to 0. It becomes, right? Okay, these are the some examples for the linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, already you have studied about the graphical meaning of or graphical representation of linear equations in two variables, right? in the earlier class you have studied, means in the 9th standard. Okay, that linear equation in two variable, it may be two variable, it may be three variable, or whatever it is. Linear equation in the sense that gives the straight line. This is the what graphical representation of a linear equation. Yes, in one variable or two variable. Yes, in the earlier class, means 9th standard, you have studied about the what graphical representation of the linear equation in two variables, right? That gives the straight line, right? And then today we are discussing about linear equations in two variables. The type of equations I am taking two at a time, means now we are discussing about the pair of linear equations in two variables. Yes, then what is the graphical representation of that linear pair of linear equation in two variables? Yes, it gives two straight lines at a time, isn't it? Yes, yes, you have to consider this one. It is the what graph. I will take two equations at a time. That equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, right? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Yes, it gives one straight line, right? It gives one straight line. The first equation, it is, this is what a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and this equation number 2, this is called as what equation number 1 here, and this is equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This equation also, it gives one more straight line. Okay, it may be parallel to this straight line, it may be intersect with this straight line, or it may be coincide with this straight line. Okay, if two lines are there in the graph, means on the graph, means that lines may be intersect with each other, or coincident with each other, or parallel to each other. These are the three possibilities. These are the what three possibilities. I will draw one more straight line here like this. This is equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is equation number 2, and this one, it is equation number 1. Okay, these are the what natures of straight lines. Natures of straight lines. Yes, in the textbook, that in your textbook example number 1, it is given about the nature of the lines, straight lines. It is given in your what textbook page number 41 and 40 here. Okay, yes, in the page number 41, that example number 1, it is given. That example number 1 is, let us take the example given in the solution 3.1. Akila goes to a fair. That is 3.1. Yeah, Akila goes to a pair of fair with RS20 and wants to have rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, yes, you have to solve, you have to refer this textbook, and you have to solve in your our notebook that equation, that example number 1. If you have any doubts, you can ask through the WhatsApp group, and then otherwise I will discuss about these examples, that example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, and totally 3 examples he has given. Yes, one it is about the what straight line, that is intersecting lines, and one it is about the what parallel lines. Yes, in that is about the coincident lines, it is not given, I think. Okay, that type of equations also come. Okay, yes, in the next class I will discuss about these examples, and then 3.1 exercise also. Yes, dear children, if it is possible by you, if you have to solve it in your home, if you have any doubts, if you have any difficulties, you can ask through the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.